To cut an onion, start by cutting off the stem. Then cut it in half from top to bottom through the root and peel the skin off. If you want to dice or mince your onion, place it on a cutting board so that the root is facing away from you, and carefully slice into it lengthwise, from the cut end to the root. However, don't cut all the way to the root, since you want your onion to remain intact. Then turn your knife so it's parallel to the cutting board and slice into the onion. Just like the first cuts, stop before you hit the root so the onion is still held together. To finish, chop the onion into small pieces by cutting from the stem side to the root. If you'd prefer to cut your onion into slices, place one of the halves cut side down on a cutting board. Starting at one end of the onion, cut it into thin slices. Then repeat with the other half and separate all of the slices. As always, be sure to exercise caution when handling a knife to avoid injury.